Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi unfortunately, hindi ko talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Libra sa mundo. Pero okay lang yun. May mga next reading pa naman tayo. If you want, pwede ka naman magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Or if you want, pwede rin naman sa akin, Madam Space P as in Princess and then space na lang sa dulo para mas ma-search mo yung Facebook page namin. Ayan, dyan ka pwedeng mag-inquire ng personal reading. Start na tayo. So, this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi Kung makarelate ka, pwedeng hindi 100%. For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Messages for Libra. Okay, crash and waves is here. Some of you are really hurt right now. Sad, frustrated, yan, naiinis kasi pwedeng there's a lot of emotions na nararamdaman mo ngayon. You feel alone, yung iba sa inyo. Pwedeng nagkakaroon ka ng depression, anxiety. Yun ay dahil hindi mo magawa yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawain. And I feel like some kind of I can see the word slow down. So, pwedeng sa buhay mo ngayon, hindi mo magawang you are an air sign. So, being an air sign, Libra, gusto mo laging mabilis, or gusto mo kung ano man yung mga nasa isipan mo, gagawin mo, no? So, ngayon, nagkakaroon ng parang some kind of delay, and yun yung nagbibigay ng frustration, inis sa'yo, kasi parang gusto mong you feel alone, you feel frustrated, you feel sad, broken, parang feeling mo wala kang silbi, or yung iba feeling mo walang tumatanggap sa'yo, or ayaw na nila sa'yo. Yung iba depression lang kasi, no? So, person na kakonect mo, sino to? Children is here, so maybe has something to do with children. If you do have a children with someone or particular person, or maybe just a child. At ito kasi iba-iba yung energy. Yung iba, you could be dealing with a person na may anak ka dito sa taong to. Pero pwedeng you do have your lockdown, so pwedeng hindi ka binibigyan ng pagkakataon or ng chance ng tao na ito na makipag-usap or makita itong child na ito dito sa person na to. For others of you, you could be dealing with a person na parang I don't know kung isip bata or mukhang bata sa age niya. So, ganun. Recalling is here. Maybe some of you miss someone. Yeah, some of you yun nga may kinalaman sa child or a children. Children, kung marami. And then you do have your obsession. So, you keep on thinking and thinking about this person in the past. Reminiscing the past, yung memories. Kung hindi man siya mismo, pwedeng yung mga bata or yung children nga na involved dito. And nandun yung parang nagkikrave ka, or nandun yung you are you want to have, or to may mga bagay ka na gusto mangyari sa iyo, and kung hindi man nga dun sa person na yan, maybe regarding a child, and there's a lot of love there. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa for the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Pop up is here. Some of you, you are trying to pursue this connection, or kung may batang involved, there's like gusto mong makuha. Yan, it could be legal matter. May kinalaman sa usaping legal. Yan, gusto mong makuha, or gusto mong ano yung rights mo ba dito sa mga batang ito. But for others of you na wala namang children na involved, I feel like yung emotions mo ngayon, you are embarrassed, or natatakot ka, or nahihiya ka because maybe of your appearance, or with whatever you have right now compared dito sa taong to, kasi maybe meron siya ng mga bagay na wala ka, or you feel like itong person na to is someone na parang um, may mga nakikita akong mga gamit na parang ano expensive, like pwedeng may mga tatak na gamit. So, you could be nahihiya dito sa person na to kasi ano, parang masyado siyang expensive or masyado siyang mataas ang level niya. Or nung family niya could be galing siya sa mayaman or may kayang pamilya. Or maybe yung iba sa inyo, kaya ka nahiya or natatakot. Yung iba may takot because it could be hindi siya pwedeng mahalin or this is forbidden love. Okay, dalawa yung energy na kukuha ko. Bahala ka na ilagay kung saan ka doon. So, anong emotions ng taong ito for you? Doon muna tayo sa may mga anak. Kasi dalawang energy. Interlude is here. What's with the interlude? Yeah, I feel like there's pause dito sa connection ninyo with this person. Verge is here. So, nakita tayo ng galit dito sa taong ito. And I feel like itong person na ito is like pwedeng may mga bagay siyang either galit siya sa'yo or pwedeng may mga katotohanan dito sa person na to na pag sinabi niya sa'yo to, tiyak na magagalit ka. Or if ever, or vice versa, pwedeng ikaw yung may mga dapat sabihin sa kanya na pwedeng pag nalaman niya, pwedeng ikagalit niya yun. No? So, emotions nung isa, which is the one with the pwedeng mataas ang status or estado nitong taong to, then you really want this person. It could be a forbidden love, rage and ready to explode. Magnetic is here. So, I feel like this is a connection na parang nakakatakot nga talaga. Kasi it could be, there's push and pull sa inyong connection. Yung parang, ang hirap. May mga times na itinutuloy or pinupush ng person na to yung emotion. And I can see a lot of, sexual connection. So, yung iba pwedeng sexually gusto ka nitong taong to. And yeah, itong person na to gusto niya maging connected sa'yo because of that. And some of you, yung push and pull energy mas nakukuha natin na kaya niya pinupush because of that. Pwedeng sexually kasi attracted siya sa'yo or connected kayo through sexual connection. Pwedeng ganun. But anyway, yung iba, kung wala naman sex, it could be physical attraction. Parang ang hirap na hindi i-push itong connection na to kasi physically attracted naman talaga ako sa'yo. So, what will happen in the near future for the sign of Libra? In the near future, you do have your come together and cleansing. Clarify this. Interview. I can see reconciliation, reconnection, or spiritual union with this person. Nakakita tayo ng pag-uusap and may pagkakasundo or pag-aayos dito. And some of you, there could be pag-aalis ng mga negativity or clearing itong mga dapat alisin or alisan. Yeah, in the near future, I can see you being happy. I can see a potential na kung gusto mo magkaanak or what, you like having a baby or a child with someone. Pero, kung gusto mo magkaanak. But if you're not yet ready, be sure na mag-use ng protection. Kasi nga, yung isa dito, nakakita tayo ng energy ng sexual connection. So, what will happen in the near future? Yeah. Grief is here. I feel like the other person, hindi kanya ila-let go, especially doon sa may sexual connection kayo. Hindi kanya ila-let go. Why? This person is, yun nakikita natin yung pagiging available or gusto niya maging available because of you. Yan, could be dealing with a soulmate or a karmic or both. Kung pareho ka nakarelate doon. So, there's a karmic, there's a soulmate doon. And I feel like pagdating sa soulmate, there's commitment, long-term relationship, connection. Ayan, for the soulmate. And yeah, I just saw the number 1111. And some of you, if you're already married, pagdating dun sa may mga anak nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo, there could be a divorce or separation here. Why? Kasi there's a lot of drama. Tsaka isa pa, pwedeng nakikita nyo itong connection na to na parang hindi na pwedeng i-push kasi parang dapat itapon na. Okay? Itapon na yung nakaraan ninyo or kung ano man yung mga naging meron sa inyo. Thank you for watching. I love you all guys and bye-bye.